Will chatbots kill Google? That question has echoed across the tech world since the rise of conversational AI like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. With millions turning to these bots for instant answers, many predicted a major disruption in how people search online, potentially siphoning traffic from traditional search engines. However, a new study has poured cold water on those fears, revealing that the actual impact of AI chatbots on search engine traffic is far less dramatic than initially expected. Rather than decimating Google's stronghold, chatbots appear to be carving out a complementary niche, leaving core search habits largely intact, for now. The study, conducted by a group of digital behavior analysts and released in early 2025, examined data from several major websites, including news outlets, e-commerce platforms, and educational resources. Researchers tracked search engine referral traffic over the course of 18 months, paying close attention to the period after popular chatbots like ChatGPT, Bing Copilot, and Perplexity AI gained widespread adoption. Surprisingly, the analysis showed only marginal decreases, typically less than 5%, in search-driven visits, even in categories where AI was assumed to be most disruptive, such as basic information queries and product recommendations. One key finding was that users don't view chatbots as full replacements for traditional search engines, but rather as quick reference tools or brainstorming aids. For instance, someone planning a trip may ask a chatbot for itinerary ideas, but still turn to Google for flight comparisons, hotel reviews, and booking sites. Likewise, students might use AI to understand a complex concept, but click through to authoritative sources for citations. This multi-touch behavior suggests that search engines still hold a vital role in validating, verifying, and expanding on information. The study also found demographic differences in how chatbots are used. Younger users, particularly Gen Z and millennials, were more likely to integrate chatbots into their daily digital habits, often preferring them for casual queries, summaries, or creative writing. Older users, on the other hand, remained more reliant on search engines, possibly due to familiarity and trust built over decades. Even among the younger groups, however, search engines maintained relevance when it came to shopping, navigating local services, or digging into breaking news. Another reason chatbot usage hasn't cannibalized search traffic is the current limitations of AI models. While powerful, these bots are still prone to errors, outdated information, and hallucinations, where they confidently present incorrect facts. As a result, many users double-check chatbot responses by cross-referencing with Google or Bing. This fact-checking reflex has become an ingrained part of interacting with AI, reinforcing the importance of traditional search engines in the information ecosystem. Additionally, SEO, search engine optimization, remains a strong force driving content visibility. Companies continue to invest heavily in optimizing their websites for Google rankings because chatbot traffic is still unpredictable and difficult to quantify. Unlike search engines, where webmasters can track referrals and impressions, chatbot referrals are often opaque. Users rarely click outbound links from a chatbot, meaning that even if the AI references a website, it doesn't necessarily translate into measurable traffic. Interestingly, the study pointed out that the biggest threat to search engines might not come from AI chatbots themselves, but from evolving search interfaces. Google and Microsoft are already integrating AI summaries and chat features directly into their search engines. These features reduce the need for users to click on external websites, especially for quick answers. This trend, known as zero-click search, has been growing even before the chatbot boom, but AI integration has accelerated it. While it doesn't remove the search engine as a platform, it does shift traffic away from third-party content providers. Still, experts warn against complacency. Although the immediate impact of chatbots is small, the long-term implications could be more significant as AI continues to improve. If bots become more reliable, personalized, and integrated into daily workflows, users may increasingly rely on them for tasks that once required traditional search. In conclusion, despite the hype and headlines, chatbots are not killing search engines. The study reveals a nuanced picture. AI chatbots are changing how people interact with information, but not replacing the need for search engines entirely. Instead of competition, there's a growing synergy, where chatbots serve as the first stop for ideas, and search engines remain the gold standard for depth, reliability, and decision-making. For now, Google can breathe a little easier, but the game is definitely changing.